So here we are standing in the Wolverhampton city center, smiling and doing our social experiment, asking people why is it good smiling? So simple and rhetorical question, obviously. However, we want to see everyone else's different opinion and listen to their saying. And I think everyone deserves to be heard. So that's it. Excuse me, girls. I'm giving a free charity smile, and I have one question. Why do you think smiling is good?
Makes you better. It makes your day better.
That's true. Thank you very much. Yeah. Have a nice day. Cheers. Why do you think smiling is good?
Because you're donating.
Why does she think smiling is good? She said it's giving a charity. So she's exactly said what we are saying. Respect to her. And I'm trying to encourage people to smile. Excuse me, would you have a minute to talk?
No, sorry.
Okay, no problem. There are some people scared of camera, or some people just arrogant, some people rude, some people good. There are different people. That's why we're doing it as a social experiment, and we are checking people. But like people don't have 1 minute. They think it's like I'm asking them to give me something. Excuse me, guys, would you have 1 minute for a social experiment? No? At least say yes or no. So you're gonna see my smile for the whole day today, inshallah. I'll be smiling, giving a free smile as a charity. Because in my religion, it says smiling is giving a charity. So I don't have much to give to you, but I'm gonna give you my best smile. And peace to everyone. Excuse me, would you have 1 minute just to literally? Okay, no problem. Right, I'm actually gonna walk up on the street because there's not many people who are willing to give a smile. Although just the thing is they being arrogant, they don't want to listen. But if they know what I'm about, I'm sure they would love to participate and give a smile and explain why they think smiling is good. So our agenda is just very simple. Same way, smiling, giving a smile, and why is it good to give a smile? All sorts of people. Sometimes you get racist people, sometimes you get arrogant people, all sorts of them. But a lot of them, they just don't want to be on the camera. Let's see who we can talk to now next. Now we have here some Muslim sisters, and I would like to ask the same question to the sister. It's basically giving a smile, and would you give a smile, and why do you think it's good to give smile?
Because the smile is sadaqah, like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what they say. You know, in Arabic, الابتسامة في وجه أخيك صدقة.
Okay, mashallah, jazakallah khair, sister.
Thank you, thank you.
Mashallah, thank you very much. Yeah, jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Yeah. Okay, that was not bad. Mashallah, I really enjoyed it. This Muslim sister, she gave her opinion. Why should we smile? So obviously, really, Muslim people, they do know, most of them, they do know that smile is a charity. And yet at the same time, they don't give smile, which is a free thing. So let's encourage more people to give a smile on this beautiful Friday. I think this is a good spot where I could stay and check people out and see if they want to come on the camera and give us a smile and tell us why smiling is good. Again, I see different people. It's just the problem is everyone is in a rush. Everyone is rushing. Guys, I got one question for you. Literally one question. Do you mind to answer? I guarantee you'll be happy after. Yeah? You Muslim? I'm giving a smile, smile, smile. Yeah, all right, no problem. Yeah, take care. They are late. They are busy. Excuse me. Do you mind to answer one question? I'm doing social experiment. Just only one question. I'm doing social experiment. Basically, I'm asking, would you give a smile and why do you think smiling is good?
Oh,
Come on.
I'm busy.
You're busy. You see, everyone's busy. But smiling is good, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. At least you admit it. Sister, can I ask you one question? Basically, I'm doing social experiment. Yeah, I'm a blogger. I'm asking, would you give a smile, which you're already giving, and why do you think smiling is good?
Well, as a Muslim, smiling is sunnah anyway.
What does it consider as? Just a little reminding.
Positive, just being positive all the time. Yeah, there
Yeah,
you
so
go.
basically smiling is a charity and it's free. So that's why I decided today, inshallah, I'm gonna do smiling to everyone and people will smile back, I believe.
You never know when someone's having a bad day and they might just see you smiling and it might make them better. So
That's what exactly I wanted to hear from you. Thank you, sister. Yeah?
it's okay. Jazakallah.
All right, jazakallah. Yeah? I'm making my day giving a free charity, which is a smile. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm giving a smile, and I want to ask you, would you smile, and why do you think smiling is good?
It's change your face value, make it more happy.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, well done. Yeah, jazakallah. Thank you. You're right, mate. Would you answer a few questions? Literally one question. Are you homeless? So basically, anyway, I'm doing a charity, yeah, because smiling we consider as a charity in my religion. So I would like to ask you, would you smile, and why do you think smiling is good?
Because it shows that you're happy. Shows that you're having a good time. I don't know.
And you can share with your happiness, isn't it?
You can share happiness with people.
Yeah,
Happiness is good to be happy.
Nice one, bro. Respect, yeah. I want to give you my smile, and I wish I could help you, but I can shake your hand.
Thank you.
All the best, yeah. Alright. So smile doesn't make you happy. Wow. You see that lady, she's happy. Okay, no problem. Have a nice day, yeah? Enjoy your day. You see, sometimes people, when you're telling them nice things, they're getting aggressive as well, which is totally wrong. Humans shouldn't be reacting aggressively when you're asking them something good. I understand if they say their lies, oh, I don't have time, I need to go, or I'm not for that, this and that. But getting aggressive when you ask something, that is totally wrong. That means people have problems in their head. And what we are doing is we want to fix the people's heads, at least bring them out a small positive smile so they'll become a little bit kind to each other. But however, as I said, like that like like that guy, he's not interested. He says he just go away. Like he's actually getting aggressive way, like I said, even if I give you a smile, don't you want? He says no, go away, like because you didn't hear him because the mic was away in it. And I wish him still good, that he recovers and he does not get aggressive to the people, especially to those who giving him a free smile.
Smiling can bring someone up who's really, really down in the dumps. Yes, a smile can encourage such a uplift to many in that, but a genuine smile. Yes, there's not enough smiling today. People ask me why I'm smiling a lot. It's having Jesus in my life. Without Jesus, my life's just improved. Where do I start? What he's done in my life and that. The good Lord. We all need Jesus.
We all need belief. We all need belief, but Jesus, Muhammad, all of them. Basically, I'm following the Sunnah, which is called Islamically. Sunnah is what our Prophet has prescribed for us. So I believe exactly the same, because what Muhammad was bringing back to us is exactly what Jesus brought to us as well. So smiling is a charity, and that's the reason I made my day today, that I'm going from my heart, give a free smile and make people smile and laugh as well. Your wishes to my...
Oh, amen. God bless
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Take care. Yeah, have a nice day. You see, now you're smiling. With the positive talking made her smile, as you witnessed. So anyway, we're getting small results, slowly, and we're not giving up. Today, the whole day is dedicated for giving people smile, inshallah. Yes, brother. Come on, man. Come on. Today I finished the Jum'ah. I made intention. I'm gonna go out. I'm giving smile, and I'm asking, why do you think smiling is good? That's my question.
It's fantastic. It relaxes you and relaxes the other person.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, and puts us. If you put a smile on someone's face, that's a good charity.
And let me tell you, you did smile, didn't you, when I said it?
I did smile. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. And now I'm gonna make you smile more with my love, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you and your family and all Muslim people.
Thank you,
And
brother.
may Allah guide those who are misguided. Ameen.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Take care. Enjoy your day, yeah? More smiling today, inshallah. Yeah, they were very happy. Alhamdulillah. You want to smile on my camera? So basically, what I missed is I should really find some way, write it down, and hang something on me with a smile. Yeah, give a free smile. Why do you think smiling is good?
It makes you feel happy and it makes other people feel happy.
That's nice. Smiling is nice, isn't it? And it gives positive positive energies to the other people, isn't it? Yeah. Have a nice day. Yeah. Bye bye. Basically, I should choose the most miserable people who are walking with the miserable faces. So, and see if we can make some changes today. Excuse me, I'm giving a free smile. Would you like to smile back?
I'll smile back.
Yeah, smile back, but not on the camera. Yeah. All right, no worries. Have a nice day. Yeah. Okay, it's good. Not everybody wants to be on the camera, but they're smiling back. So that means it's a good, positive energy we are giving to the society. And we'll try our best. At least today is a charity day. Giving people a smile, free smile. Excuse me, would you give a smile if I smile to you? No? Wow. Some people know. Okay, there's one Muslim brother coming. I would like to see his opinion if he doesn't go away too far. So I'm going to actually chase him now. Can I ask you one question, brother?
Yes, please.
I'm doing today a charity day, giving people free smile, yeah?
Oh,
And
yeah.
I would like, if you don't mind, to say
Why
on the
not?
camera.
Why not? I give you the smile.
MashaAllah, yeah.
Hey, how are
yes,
you?
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
everything
good.
is
That's
good.
nice. But now I want to ask you one question, brother.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
I've never seen you. I don't
Yes.
know who you are. I've seen you,
yeah,
spotted you on
yeah,
the street. So
yes, yes.
why do you think smiling is good?
Uh, I speak you true.
Yeah.
This is my lifestyle. I am very happy every time.
MashaAllah. May Allah make you happy and fit and healthy, akhi. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum assalam
Yeah.
wa
Have a nice day. Yeah. MashaAllah. Yeah. He was a proper, smiling, positive Muslim brother. MashaAllah. Well done. Why do you think smiling is good?
Because it makes people happy.
That's true. That's right. And what about you?
It boosts people's moods.
Absolutely right. So, shall we give a bit better smile? That's it. That's better. That's it. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah. Have a nice day. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, going good. Excuse me. We know everybody's busy. Just one question. I'm giving a smile, yeah, to everybody, and I would like to ask you one question. No English. Okay. So laughing, smile, yeah. Is smile on the camera? Smile. Why is smiling good?
Good.
Yeah, smiling good there. Thank you. Yeah, enjoy your day. Excuse me, would you have 1 minute? I know everybody's busy. Yeah? I'm just giving today my day dedicating to giving smile to people to make them smile back. Yeah. and I see you already smiling. And just one question only, yeah? Why do you think smiling is good?
For health, good health,
Yeah.
for skin.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much, yeah? Have a nice day, yeah? Bless. Do you consider as smiling is good?
Very good.
Yes, but why do you think it's good?
Good energy.
Good energy, that's better now. And what about you?
Smiling.
Do you mind if I record you?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, nice,
It
respect,
keeps
yeah?
you happy. You know, it's a sign of happiness. So always stay smiling.
Absolutely right. Respect, yeah? Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, yes. Okay, basically, yes, big guys, yeah. Basically, the question is, I'm giving a smile to all people, yeah, because smiling in my religion is a charity. So my question is, why do you think smiling is good, and what does it bring to?
Because obviously it helps happiness to people, innit?
One by one.
Obviously, it brings happiness to people, innit? So,
True.
So if you smile to someone, that makes them feel good through the rest of the day.
One by one. Let him finish. One second. You finished?
Yeah, it makes someone's day.
Nice one. Respect. Now you.
Yeah, it's just good for the environment.
Very well said.
Yeah, so
Okay.
like if someone could be having a bad day.
Absolutely right. That is smart. And now, you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, now you.
Obviously, if you smile at one person in it, then they're gonna smile at someone else, and the chain carries on in it, and everyone's gonna be happy.
Very well said, you.
It's like you're transferring energy between people just through looks.
Wow, that's smart,
And
man.
actions speak louder than words.
You guys are smart. I'm sure you are you are a little bit naughty things as well, but you are smart. Well done of you. What about you?
It just brings happiness to people's day.
Absolutely. Respect to you all guys, yeah? Respect. Manners. Take care, yeah? Chechen blogger in English, TikTok. Yeah? Alright. Alright, nice one, yeah. Take care, yeah. Chechen blogger. Alright. These kids are really smart and I'm proud of them. But obviously, I know youngsters, they do have lots of bad habits, bad things as well. But still, I'm happy and proud of the youth who have that kind of understanding in their mind. So that means they are not lost. And I wish them understanding of the humanity and to be helping each other rather than harming each other, going through the bad way. And I wish they just become a good human being, and they'll be useful for the society, and they'll bring positive energy and keep more smiling. So that's it then, and let's check now who else. Next. Excuse me, just one question. I'm giving a free smile, yeah? It's only for a smile. No, definitely she was in a rush. Never mind. Excuse me, I'm giving a free smile and I want one question from you. I know you're already smiling. Do you want? Okay, no problem. All right then. Let's check this big man. Is this big man? Maybe he's gonna say something nice. Big man, I got one question. Would you answer it? No? Why? It's about the smile, basically. It's about the smile. But would you smile then? You don't want even the smile. He's going miserable, like, woo, no, woo. Come on, guys. Relax. Chechen blogger in English. I want to give smile to the society. And why do you think smiling is good?
Because smiling's bad, man, you know my thing, yeah.
Smiling makes happy, yeah?
Yeah, happiness.
All right, respect, yeah? Guys, I got one question about smiling. Would you give your smile and say why it's good for smiling? No? So stay miserable then. If you don't want to smile, if you're so scared of camera, just stay miserable then. What can I do? What can I say? No, actually, I wouldn't wish to stay miserable to nobody. Actually, I do wish good for everyone. And respect for everyone, inshallah. But with the smile. Because today is a Friday and I specifically came out to give people smile. Excuse me, would you smile if I smile to you?
Oh, we smile.
Okay, one question then, yeah? Why do you think smiling is good? Please answer it for me. Why do you think smiling is good?
Smiling is good. It makes other people feel good, and it makes
happy.
you feel good. Yes.
Nice one. Thank you very much. Yeah. Have a nice day. That guy is smiling. Come on, man. Say one word for me. Yeah. What? Why do you think smiling is good? Quick. For the soul. Yeah. He says. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. People are busy. People are rushing. People are angry. There are different people out there. You cannot even imagine what kind of people out there on the streets, everywhere. And this is only one city. We're talking about globally, all over the world, people. Are they smiling enough for their day and making their day happy and making others happy? Whoever wants to smile on my camera, you are welcome, yeah? But at least you're smiling, and I enjoy that. Nice one, respect. Why do we have to smile?
Sunnah. Sunnah, bro.
MashaAllah, well done. And why do you think it's good for smiling?
You spread positive energy to people.
Absolutely right. Well done. Do you mind to be on the camera?
Is it for TikTok? Cool.
Yeah, for TikTok. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, you said what you're saying is heard. You know. Thank you very much. Yeah. All right. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Excuse me, uncle. I'm just giving a smile. Yeah. And just I have one question. Why do you think smiling good? No English. No English. Okay, but smile good. Smile good. Yeah. Very good. Okay. This is the third one who don't speak English, but they understand that smiling is good and they do show their smile. Yeah, guys, do you want to smile on the camera and say why smiling is good? No? Smiling makes you happy, you know. You should smile more. Wow. So many different people, you know. You can't imagine this. Because you see, a lot of it I cut off, I switch off the camera because I don't want too long video taking the space. So I see more reactions of the people, but however, I would say majority people feel positive, sort of, and smiling. Guys, do you want to smile on my camera and say why do you think smiling is good?
Because everyone just needs to smile.
Absolutely right. What do you think?
Smiling conveys happiness to life.
Absolutely true. Respect for that. Yeah.
Respect.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah. All right. Yeah, some people are so aggressive looking, you know. I'm even like it's scary to ask them something because, you know, I have no problem with anyone if someone wants to fight me, but I don't want to smash the camera. I don't want to destroy the day because we are here not for fighting. Is smiling good or bad? Smiling bad. Come on, say it on the camera. Why is bad? Come on, man. I know you're joking. I know you're joking, but you're already smiling, so why are you smiling then? Saying Wolverhampton is bad. Of course, Wolverhampton is bad if you stay miserable. If you stay happy, everything will be happy. It's what you make, not what it is. Environment is the one what we make. If we make it happy, of course it will be happy. If we make it miserable, it's going to be miserable. So at least smiling is one small deed which makes others happy. So our social experiment today is giving people smile and asking them, hearing them, why smiling is good. Guys, why do you think smiling is good? My question. Do you mind to answer? No? Busy. Everyone's busy. If you knew how busy I am, oh my days. If you knew how busy I am, you wouldn't believe. So that's why I'm not even gonna waste time of talking about how busy I am. But sometimes we have to take off time and do some good deeds at least and bring some good positive energy to others. And so on. So I'm smiling and let's carry on our smiling. Excuse me, I do apologize to breaking you up. Yeah, basically I'm doing a video social experiment. I'm giving a smile to everyone
Yeah.
which I'm giving it to you for free. And
Okay.
I would like to ask you, why do you think smiling is good?
It brings out the endorphins, makes everybody happy. When you see someone smiling, it's very infectious. And you know what? We're alive.
Golden words. What about you?
Basically the same.
Same, innit?
Yeah.
Good energy,
And,
but
you forget your troubles for a short while.
yeah, but that short while, it cures us, like, so it's better to smile. We know that smiling is good, and yet we're walking with the miserable faces and aggressive characters, like that's no good.
Yeah.
So
I think people have forgotten how to smile, how to be happy, even though we're in this crisis. But life is for living.
absolutely
Make the most
right.
of it. Yeah.
I really appreciate your time and thank you very much.
No
yeah?
problem. You're welcome.
Enjoy your day.
And you
Yeah.
as
Have a
well.
nice day.
Okay,
Yeah.
have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Yes, you happy now? Nice, nice. Okay. Okay, we're doing social experiment. We're giving smile. No, don't run away. We're giving a smile, which is free. So I ask you a question. Why do you think smiling is good?
It makes everyone happy.
Absolutely right. Thank you very much. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye. We keep smiling. And we'll ask more people and see what they say. Obviously, it would be nice that we have less aggressive people. Respect, yeah? Manners. These guys really smart. Very smart guys. I respect you for that, yeah? Well done. Yeah, I'm genuinely impressed, because youngsters really have lots of crap in their head. I'm not saying they haven't got that, but at least they got manners. So respect for that, for these young lads. Well done. You see, it's so easy to be bad, but and it's so easy to break things. It's so hard to put it back and to build because it takes you lots of effort, time, and it costs you financial as well, probably, whatever. If you smash something, if you can't rebuild it, you have to buy it to replace. So that's why my call is to be positive and to do good things and to be good rather than being bad, because bad brings evil. Evil doesn't want us to be happy and smiling. So let's be good and bring positive, good, smiling. That will bring good and positive energy. Let's now see who else wants to be with us on our social experiment. Okay, now basically we're doing I'm giving a smile from myself, which is a charity. Smiling is free as well, costs us nothing. And just simple question, why do you think smiling is good?
It's good for your mental health. I think everyone should smile to other people. It's just like good in general.
Nice, absolutely right. What do you think, smiling is good?
Yes, it's good. Because it makes people happy.
Absolutely right, what a beautiful soul, well done. Let me shake your hand. Respect to you for that, yeah? Nice one. Thank you very much, yeah? Have a nice day. Right. So it's smiling, smiling, smiling. And let's see if these two ladies would smile on the camera. Excuse me, I'm just giving a smile, which is free. Just a question, would you like to answer? Okay, no problem. But enjoy your day, yeah? Thank you. Mashallah, I got one question for you. Come on, man. Basically, I'm doing social experiment, giving smile, which is free, costs us nothing. And my question is, why do you think smiling is good?
Why is smiling good? Smiling gives me joy. Makes me happy.
That's it.
Makes me be thankful to God.
Let me shake your hand for that. I respect that, yeah? That's what I'm talking about. Well, anyway, nice one, yeah? Respect. Thank you.